Hey guys, what is up? It's Sector here back again with another video, and today guys, I'm going to be going ahead and sharing with you guys a simple tutorial on how to connect your PS4 controller to either your iPhone or iPad using iOS 13, in which Apple has officially supported controller support, which means that this video is neither a scam or a hack. I've been playing around with this for a few days, and it does seem like the most popular games like Fornite, PUBG, Minecraft, the GTA franchise, or even NBA 2K19 works for this, plus many more in which you can test out yourself after you follow this tutorial. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So starting off, what you guys want to do is to first simply hold down the share and PS4 button until the lights are flashing. Then go in and go to settings and then Bluetooth on your iOS device, in which in this case I am using my iPad Pro. Once you're there, it should then show DualShock 4 wireless controller. Go in and connect to that, and the lights should then turn into this dark orange color. When you see that, it means that the controller is connected and you should be all set to go. Now a tip for you guys is to be very mindful of the battery life on the controller. To check it, you can go ahead and go to the widgets section and add the batteries widget, which would then show the percentage of your DualShock 4 controller. The reason that this is important is because even if your controller does not have a lot of battery, all the lights on it would still work, but on the iPad it would just connect and disconnect over and over again, which might lead you to believe that it is defective or broken. But if that happens to you, it is not broken, and it simply means that you do have to charge your controller. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this, please make sure that you do leave a like, and for more tech videos, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.